Hi everyone. Today I'm going to look at setting up your channel on YouTube. This is your opportunity to create your brand and set yourself apart in your niche. Let's get started. First, I'll describe my channel. That will tell people what I'm all about. I'll add my email address and then some links. I can add custom links and social media links. My Google Plus page is included automatically. My photo comes from my Google Plus account. I've already added some channel art, but I can edit or change it here. The recommended image size is 2560 by 1440 pixels. There are 2 or 3 sections on the right of your channel page. Support this channel appears only if you have enabled fan funding. Featured channels is where you can showcase channels you subscribe to. If you are involved in something like NAMS, this is a great place to share the love. I find it easiest to add a channel by the URL rather than the username. Enabling popular channels on YouTube is, in my opinion, not the best choice. Popular is the operative word. You have no control over the content here. Channel settings are found in the Creator Studio, which you access through your profile icon. Account verification ensures you are the authorized owner of the account. The good standing label is basically confirmation that you adhere to the community guidelines and do not abuse copyrighted material. Having your account verified and in good standing gives you access to a number of features, including external annotations, custom thumbnails, and having unlisted and private videos. You can also create a live streaming event, which is similar to a Google Hangout on air. Monetization is one of the more important features available. Displaying ads is a great passive income stream. Your account must be in good standing, and your content must be original and advertiser friendly. I'll look at paid content and fan funding in an in-depth video on monetization. I'll look at the upload defaults, featured content, and branding also in a later video. Finally, your advanced settings are where you will find options for advertising, AdWords, and any associated websites you have. You can also toggle the visibility of channel recommendations and subscriber counts, and if you use Google Analytics, this is where the tracking ID goes. We have our channel set up, but there is still some tweaking to do. I'll look at that in the next couple of videos. Thanks for watching.